4 places to find icons for your next website. If you stick around to the end, I'll show you my favorite icon library website and an amazing resource. Here are a list of icon libraries to check out. Number 1. Unispace.net-free icons. This is a place to get a sample of free icons. While I clicked around, some of the icon resources seem to link towards Dribbble or Behance sites, where you can download the file at the bottom of the page. If you want a larger library of icons and sample designs, check out Font Awesome. This library carries over 2,000 free icons. You can filter designs by solid, regular, light, thin, or duo. 3. Check out Flat Icons. Flat Icons has icons, interface icons, and animated icons that you can download. Some icon sets need premium, but if you download them individually, they're typically free. In addition, they provide many different styles and file types. My favorite icon library is Icon 8. Similarly to Flat Icons, it has a large library and customizable features. Most of the icons in Icon 8 are free and has a lot more styles to choose from. Another reason that I love Icon 8 is this amazing plugin. This is the resource that I want to share with you. Icon 8 has an amazing plugin in Figma where it can eliminate the process of finding icons and downloading them one at a time. You can simply search the icon you want, drag, and drop it in. If you want to learn how to install this plugin, check out this video that I will link in the description box below or at the end of this video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Let me know which one is your favorite icon library, or let me know if I missed your favorite icon